Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It is 9:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on November 13th, 2008. I wanted to do a follow-up video on the real-time market action that we were seeing at 1 o'clock this afternoon, again Eastern Standard Time. And this is what we were seeing in the S&P 500. This bar was forming. It wasn't as big as this while we were talking, and this had some pretty good follow-through, so it's kind of fun to talk about. Every once in a while you get it right. So pretty fun. Anyway, nice swing high here. It's a lower swing high, about the 50% retracement of this last big sell-off, and that was happening at the exact same time the trend was looking like that. So nice ascending triangle, getting more and more bearish. Big sell-off in the market as the trend rises, but then the trend did a 100% retracement of that run-up. All right, so that was a big eye-catching feature. There's a divergence between the trend and the S&P during that exact same time frame right there. So instead of having the markets go all the way back up and do a 100% retracement, these guys didn't quite make it. So I've got a better chance now of making a higher swing low in the S&P 500. That's what we were watching for. That's what we were looking to have hold. And there were quite a few setups intraday based on that. It's a very, very speculative trade opportunity based on this premise, but you can see we had some really, really nice follow through. Good run up into resistance, following all the rules very nicely. Support, support, support. Once broken becomes resistance, right on the 50 MA. Of course, this is just the 5-minute chart here, but it did hold briefly there. Chewed right through it, ran right up to the 100 MA. Made another higher swing low, chopped around there for a while, pulled back to resistance once broken becomes support, and started working its way out of the 100 MA and this overhead resistance, testing it over and over and over again, right? And finally, right to the 200 MA. So there's a really nice run up in price. Chopped around there for a while, broke out of that, and really, just nice price action the whole rest of the day. Beautiful higher swing lows, great run up in price, and of course the whole time that was going on, the VIX the trend was heading south. So very, very impressive volume reading going on here. 0.22 or 0.20 to make it easy on me. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. That's 5. That would be a concomitant reading of 5.0 on the bearish side. All right. So when you read something like this, everything below 1 is more and more bullish, right? Everything above 1 is more and more bearish. But a huge move up to 5 is no different than a move from 1 down to 0.2. So you have to scrunch everything up below 1, and everything above 1 is sort of free and clear to go. So this is a huge amount of bullish volume flowing into the market. Don't know what kind of follow-through we're going to get, but I wouldn't be surprised to see some of that tomorrow. I haven't actually even looked to see how the futures are doing. I'm just shooting from the hip here, but I will do that pretty soon. Anyway, nice to have something work out based on an intraday decision, even though it was a little bit more speculative. And these market internals are very, very helpful, and I'm glad to put an exclamation point on that for you guys. Awesome. Your comments are genius. I love having those back. It makes it easy to burn videos on things because I know what you're looking for. Let me be that for you, if you will. And once again, register in there and the forums. And the more we have in there, the more easy it is to talk back and forth with people. And like I said, when we unleash the chat feature, it's going to get even better. So you guys are awesome. Talk to you soon and have a great night.